I don't think people understand just how widespread credit card debt is. Did you know that over half of Americans are carrying credit card debt? It's true. Millions of people are struggling to pay off those balances each month. It's easy to feel alone, but you're not. Credit card debt is a huge problem in our country. We live in a world that encourages us to spend, spend, spend. Buy now, pay later schemes are everywhere. It's no wonder so many people fall into the trap of credit card debt. The good news is, there's hope. You can break free from this cycle. Whether you're struggling personally or you know someone who is, this guide is for you. We're going to talk about how to tackle credit card debt and find financial peace. Please subscribe, like, and comment to support our channel. Credit card debt isn't just about numbers on a statement, it's about so much more than that. Think about it. When you're worried about money, it impacts every area of your life. It can strain relationships, zap your energy, and even affect your health. Financial stress is real. It can lead to arguments with your loved ones. It can make it hard to focus at work. You might even lose sleep worrying about how you're going to make ends meet. That's no way to live. Helping someone escape credit card debt isn't just about the money. It's about giving them their life back. It's about restoring peace, hope, and freedom. It's about empowering them to achieve their dreams without the weight of debt holding them back. Credit card debt often comes with a heavy load of guilt and shame. People may feel like they've failed or made bad decisions. They might be embarrassed to talk about it, even with those closest to them. This can lead to isolation and make the problem even worse. The stress of debt can manifest in different ways. Some people become anxious or withdrawn. Others might experience physical symptoms like headaches or fatigue. It's important to remember that these feelings are normal. Debt can be overwhelming, but you don't have to suffer in silence. Confusion is another common emotion. With so many different interest rates, minimum payments, and fees, it's easy to feel lost. People might not even know where to begin tackling their debt. This lack of knowledge can be paralyzing. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. Reaching out is a sign of strength, not weakness. Talking to someone you trust can make a world of difference. There are also resources available to provide guidance and support. Talking about money can be tough. It's often seen as a taboo subject, but when it comes to helping a loved one with credit card debt, open and honest communication is key. The first step is to choose the right time and place. Find a quiet moment when you can sit down together without distractions. Start by expressing your concern and letting them know that you care. Use I statements to avoid sounding judgmental. For example, you could say, "I've noticed you seem stressed lately, and I was wondering if finances are part of it." Listen more than you speak. Give your loved ones space to share their feelings and experiences without interruption. Avoid offering unsolicited advice. Instead, focus on understanding their perspective and showing empathy. Let them know you're there for them. Say something like, "I'm here for you, no matter what. We'll figure this out together." Your support can make a world of difference in helping them feel less alone. I'll never forget the day my friend Sarah broke down in tears, confessing she was drowning in credit card debt. She was so ashamed, convinced she was a failure. I listened with an open heart, offering words of comfort and reassurance. I'd been there myself, so I understood the weight of her words. Together, we created a budget, explored debt snowball and avalanche methods, and celebrated every milestone. Seeing her regain control of her finances was incredibly rewarding. More importantly, the experience strengthened our bond, proving that vulnerability can lead to deeper connections. This experience taught me the power of empathy. When we approach sensitive topics with kindness and understanding, we create a safe space for vulnerability. This allows our loved ones to open up, share their struggles, and ultimately take steps towards a brighter future. Now that we've covered the emotional aspects, let's dive into some practical strategies. First, create a budget. This is the foundation of any financial plan. Track your income and expenses to see where your money is going. Identify areas where you can cut back. Next, explore debt repayment methods. The debt snowball and avalanche methods are popular choices. The snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first for motivation, while the avalanche method prioritizes high-interest debts to save money. Third, negotiate with credit card companies. Contact your creditors and try to negotiate lower interest rates or waived fees. You might be surprised at how willing they are to work with you. Lastly, seek professional guidance. consider consulting with a financial advisor or credit counselor. They can provide personalized advice and support tailored to your situation. Everyone's journey with debt is unique. Sharing your experiences can inspire and empower others. Have you or someone you know overcome credit card debt? What advice would you give to those struggling? Leave a comment below and let's start a conversation. Your story could be the lifeline someone needs to hear. By sharing our struggles and triumphs, we break down the stigma surrounding debt and create a community of support. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to finances. Here are some resources to help you on your debt-free journey. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. This book offers a step-by-step plan for getting out of debt and achieving financial peace. You need a budget, YNAB. This budgeting software and app can help you track your spending, create a budget, and get out of debt. National Foundation for Credit Counseling, NFCC. This nonprofit organization offers credit counseling, debt management plans, and financial education resources. Remember, you are not alone. With the right tools and support, you can break free from credit card debt and build a brighter financial future. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more helpful content.